Welcome, in front of me is an LG Wing, and today I'll show you how to put this device into safe mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key. When you see the two boot options, you want to hold power off. So when you hold it, as you can see, it will switch to safe mode, give you a message, turn on safe mode, and the phone will restart, and certain apps will be unavailable. To help troubleshoot the phone, when you restart the phone again, safe mode will be returned off and all apps will be available. That's kind of a weird way of describing this mode, but basically this mode is used to test if some kind of app is causing your phone problems. So as you're probably aware, there are certain apps on, for instance, App Store that contain viruses or just kind of like a malware ads. The ones that, for instance, I encountered were apps that would do what they're supposed to do, for instance, like an icon pack for your phone, but after like specific amount of time or couple months, it will start displaying little ads on your home screen. And you could basically launch it in safe mode and see if the problem still persists, because, for instance, I had no idea what app was causing me this, or if it was even an app that was doing so. So running it in safe mode will basically disable all the third-party applications that you have installed and only keep the ones that are preloaded with the device on. So let's tap on turn on. This will then initiate the reboot of the device. And once it turns back on, you will see a watermark on the bottom left corner of the display, basically writing safe mode somewhere right here to signify that you are right now in the desired mode. And there we go, as you can see, safe mode right here. So that is how you boot into the safe mode. Now once you're ready to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key and select restart. So let me do that quickly right now. Power off and restart. And once the device boots back up, it will be then back in the normal mode. And you can see safe mode is gone from the bottom of the screen and we're back in normal mode. So that is how you would boot in and out of the safe mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.